southwest. Run into that tree, would he? Oh, he's hiding behind that tree. He's going to peek us. I'm going to have to pump him as soon as he does. See if you can get a shot on him. But there he's gone. He's down. He peeked me, the bastard. That was just the guy I downed. I just didn't want him fucking doing shit. Still those two on the cliff. I'm looking down the cliff, Woody. You got our back, hey? Yep. Oh. He's running from the cliffs. Tagged him. He's gone into the house. He's gone in that double story, but he's going to have to move straight away, Woody. I think he's going to get play zoned. Okay, he's still got another mate somewhere. He's rushing me. His mate's rushing me. Nice, Woody. Adrenaline. I'm dropping an adrenaline. Is that you shooting, Woody? Nah. Where's that coming from? Oh yeah. Can't even see him. There's a guy on me. Got him. Where the fuck? He's right in front of me, 350. You got a frag? Oh shit. He's gonna rev his mate. No, he's not. No, he's not. He's peeking me. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah. No, I'm not going for the rev. I just wanted to see if you'd peek him. Holy fucking shit.